how do I improve my talking how do I improve my talking skills to sellers? The top way to improve your talking skills to motivated sellers is by cold calling. Cold calling is the best way to build your talking skills with motivated sellers. I cannot stress this enough. To increase your talking skills, you need to spend more time talking. The more time you spend talking to motivated sellers, the more time you spend cold calling and actually marketing for motivated sellers will mean you have more time. We actually start putting the hours in there and get better. Think about it as weightlifting. How are you going to get better at weightlifting? You need to start lifting weights. How are you going to get better at shooting 3-point shots for basketball? You got to put in the reps. To put in the reps, to improve talking to sellers, literally the best way to increase that skill is by talking to sellers. And the only way to talk to sellers is by cold calling that list. So hands down, I can tell you right now, to improve your talking skills to sellers, start cold calling. Create a plan, create a schedule for cold calling, and that will give you the best results. Go out there and make a plan. Say Monday through Friday, I'm going to be cold calling motivated sellers. That is my goal. That's what I want to do. And that's what I'm going to do. Then you're putting in the reps. What I did to increase my skill set for where I'm at right now for talking to sellers is through Monday through Friday, literally when I was in college, from 2 p.m. to 7 p.m., 5 days a week for an entire year straight, I started cold calling. That's it. Like, that's all it takes. Start putting the reps. It's like asking someone, how can I be, the best free throw shooter ever? Do 5,000 free throws every single day for 5 days a week for a year straight. You'll get very good at it. Like, it's a skill. To improve the skill, you have to put in the reps. That is what it's all about in this real estate wholesaling operation. That's how you improve those skills. Same thing for building cash buyer skills. Same thing for building that marketing skills. You got to spend more time in the reps, learning, and you'll get way better. That is my recommendation. Thank you so much. Appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching this video today. Consider liking this video. It helps the YouTube algorithm so my videos can get shown to more people, so I can help my mission on this channel to help you make over $100,000 in real estate wholesaling absolutely for free. If you're getting any value out of this whole channel or from the clip today, please consider subscribing to the channel. It means so much to me. Have a blessed day.